Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My greetings to everyone in this early morning of Saturday. I am just asking, what do we learn from the Galapura procession yesterday? It's very sad and very funny seeing our own brothers and sisters in uniform, those who are supposed to protect our lives and properties are intimidating instead. I say some. I say I'm Regasino. Never do good lad. Those who are supposed to protect our lives and properties were intimidating us, harassing us, and doing so many things. But I'm not going to blame the police here. I'm going to blame we ourselves. The reason I said I'm going to blame Gambians. In yesterday procession, okay, they were denied a permit. Why do we look for a permit? Is to use a PS system, and if you are going to move from one place to another place, then you need a permit, because by moving from one place to another place, 11:06 p.m. here. Aisa, where are you? Okay, from one place to another place, then you will need a permit, because you will congest the traffic, and then you will be using the PA system as well, because public nuisance. So which means definitely you need a permit in that. Seattle. Okay. All right, Isa. Okay. So you need a permit, but a peaceful procession that you wanted to go and then hand over a petition. I think the police, if they are so professional, what they should do is that to come and guide these people, bring them to the Pura, call the executive of the Pura to collect the petition from them, and then tell them to disperse peacefully. Nothing will happen. But when the police, this is why the police were there, and this was their plan to do, because they thought that a lot of Gambians are going out, because now in this world, it is internet that people are using to work. So we need internet in anything, in our hospitals, in our schools, in our homes, in our workplaces, on the street, in our cars. So we need internet. So, but the reason yesterday, the police were more than the people who went for procession. It's a disgrace. If I look, I said, is it that the police are the one who are making the procession to hand over the petition to Pura? Because where are the people? And even yesterday, somebody called me asking me to help him with data. They said, come out so that we can fight for this together. Everybody was sitting at home looking in their internet. How many people are out? What are they going to confront with the police officers? What is going to happen to them? Are they going to arrest them and then bring? Now the 19 young Gambians are in the hand of police just to fight for every Gambian. And now you people are sleeping in your comfortable zones. Now these people are in their prison cells. Where is the seriousness? Gala, I will advise you people. You have to look yourselves. Let Gambians don't sack. I'm telling you, Gala, the people, the executives of Gala, you need to convey a very, very respectful and a responsible meeting to send a signal to Gambians. If they don't need your help, this is from it. Because let them not sacrifice you people. You were telling Gambians to come out so that both of you could protest, because we all know the internet system in the Gambia is poor and expensive. It is like this place, Cuba. It is like Cuba. Cuba, for many years ago, they were one of the most expensive, they have the most expensive telephone tariff. Now Gambia is replacing Cuba. Those directors and executive members in Pura, they are not buying credit. They are not buying data. They have enough data. They have enough credit. But me and you, we are suffering. Look, we are not trying to push anybody into any trouble. But what we want to tell you, Gambian, is that you have to stand up and then fight for your right. I'm at the work now. I do fight my right here. And there is a law in here. There is a contract that I sign, and that contract, my employer have to implement it up to the max. If anything is lacking there, I should ask them for my right. You think that ndabena dogo fila jana ngo kara Gambia lan kara protest ali for what? Ntaka internet o soto janne free. Internet o nga soto janne free. Na ntenene man na data nka kodo jomi na nene ma bang. To Abuja ntenene ma bang. Na data nene ma bang freng. Na suwo kono internet o bije nka tele jube ala na dimbaya beka konekala nimbe suwo kono. We have no problem. Ni momo be fintila ila mobile kono you have internet. Ni bota suwo kono ika connect directly ila mobile data leto. You have no problem. The only problem you have, end of month you have to pay. Ni lafita, there are some areas ni tata je you can use internet for free. Ikata rege connect free. Ni dunda bosol kono free. Ni dunda trainol kono free. Altele o soto mun dolto. Ali o soto min. Mo yaje telephone sabale katara bulu Gambia. Telephone saba, telephone nani. Because you want to get every line. Africell, Gamcell, QCell, and Jumal Longo Long Foundry. Not Quantum. Comeo. You want to get 4 lines. Walla, al dolbeje telephone fulabe bulu double SIM card. Maybe Chinese all. Some be African mentality lona. Some be telephone de dala phone telephone min card SIM card nanita. Walla saba. Some be bad dala. Ebe all dala Africa le kama. Because they know how to invest. They know how to get money. Because ika mo kilinje telephone fula le katara bulo because until nga woke phone call it. Telephone is for daily business. Telephone is for daily business. But the actual thing is that I have to thank Gala very well. We will thank them immensely because they are sacrificing for the country a lot. But I want to ask them for it because if you are fighting for people, they don't want you to fight for them. Because kunu it's not even a protest. Nimu process on leti. Iko alingata nga petition di purala. So that ye price mean for malafol until naftali ye price ceiling leke yake on the GSM companies. So that the average Gambian, but now the Pura is supporting the business GSM companies, and then they are harming the consumers. What consumers all fanal man son naka finti katela right fight. Kairaba Avenue damma funding ke umimbeka ben Kairaba Avenue damma ni wolu damma fang jurmata Pura. Pura will respect Allah process on yesterday. Pura was laughing at you people there. Because police all the fang siata altije. Journalists all the fang siata protesters also. Journalists were more than them. The police were more than them. Iman Sarge abe bala filin to ko kela. But what I'm going to tell the Inspector General of Police. Are you happy to see the police video that is going around? Sir trying to intimidate people? And you want people to call you that we have one of the best Inspector General of Police? Come on, CD. Come on, CD. You are so professional for that. Why these people wanted Purkete Tindkete Nondi in your service? CD, you have been in the service for so many years. As a young immigration officer, he exceeded up to today the Inspector General of Police. See, you should thank God there. You should thank God. More baby professionalism foka. We have seen how you handle with Gala. Biriye Galankol arrest Banjul at the arch. Ila timely intervention. To show professionalism. To show to Gambians that you are there to serve Gambians. You are there to protect them, their lives and their properties. You are there to prosecute any offender. We have seen the professionalism yeminke. But I have been advising you, Nko, there are some wolf in a sheep cloth police officers that want to tint you because they don't want to see you there as Inspector General of Police. Look at the behavior of Sar. Go and watch those videos. Call Sar in your office, watch those videos with him. Yesterday he think that he is the hero. He is zero. You cannot intimidate the people. That Sar, in fact, if you check him there, check on his phone, maybe he was not even having mobile data. Okay, that doesn't matter. If he is doing the right thing, it's understandable. But what he was doing yesterday is too inhuman. Look at him, how he was shouting even to professional police officers. Where are the police officers that we used to be proud of? Is this the new way of policing in the Gambia? Well, the police have a test, their rehearsal. Whatever they are thinking, and then whatever they wanted to do against the public, this is what they are attesting to. Because now, the police are doing rehearsal. Assalamu alaikum, Yabo. The police are doing the rehearsal. How they are going to combat you people in 2026. I have been telling you people, police are going to do selection, and then they have done selection. You have seen it, 1,000 policemen. I heard that one young police officer died. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Now it's 999 new police recruits against Gambians. The people that supposed to protect you, you are paying your tax to pay them, to put that uniform in them. And you turn to be their enemies. The people that supposed to protect you are seeing you people as enemies. I think yesterday, it wasn't a demonstration. It was a procession. Very simple. Let the police guide them. Ask them, okay, not everybody could go. They can stop the crowd, and then maybe the executive members to come with them, march with them to Pura, and then hand over the petition. Simple and straightforward. And then tell them after 30 minutes or 15 minutes, please, you can disperse. They will do that accordingly. But look at Sir, arresting people, even the passerbys. Even the passerbys, the police will just grab you because thinking that you are part of them. Even if you tell them that, no, I am doing errands for my family, they will say, no, when we go to the police station, then we will be able to justify what you said. Because the police were more than the crowd. police le siata molti je e mil nata ko nata process on police le journalist le fa siata protest lalti. It's a disgrace. So gala, I'm advising you people as brothers and sisters. Think about yourselves. You are trying to fight for Gambians, every Gambian, in regardless to our religion, our tribe, our political affiliation. You are fighting for everyone. But do the people see the seriousness? Are the people that you are fighting for, are they serious? You need to think about yourself. You people are young. Some of you are married, some of you are not married. Some of you have kids, some of you have no kids. So do not sacrifice for Gambia. Gambia, to sacrifice for Gambia is not an easy thing. Look at lawyer Ousainou Darboe. Look at lawyer Ousainou Darboe. All his life, he has been sacrificing for Gambia. What are they paying? Enmity, hate. Enmity and hate. If you want to fight for Gambia, wallahi, think about it. I am telling you. Because if definitely Gambians are serious, yesterday is one of the most important possessions because everybody needs internet, even in your health services. You need internet. You cannot purchase the data. People are begging, please, can you send me data? Can you send me that? Look, I am going to advise myself and advise any other Gambian. I told you people, yesterday, wallah, yesterday, somebody called me from Gambia asking me to help him with mobile data. I told him no. There are youths at Kairaba Avenue. Go there and protest. Show them that you cannot purchase data. I'm not helping you. Let us stop it. We are sending them cash power for them to have light. We are sending them data for them to have internet. We are sending them money for them to go to Discuss, for them to go to Wali Seka and Yusundur. We are sending them. Why? We have families. Yes, send them what they will eat. Apart from that, don't send them anything. Then they will start to understand what we are trying to tell them. Who is sending you mobile data from Gambia to Europe or America? Who? Who don't believe in Europe or America? Don't be Gambia. They are living better than those people. But who is in Gambia? Mimba Foleko, Ndebe Jane. One time, Anene Ketanu, one of my friends, Mbe Gambia, Ndebe Seilana, I call ako ala Sambalaro Lebe Gambia. Nkai okay. Sambalaro ni, imirade. Amani ero talulo si, a ero ma, aman talulu fango si, talulu, ero 50 ero amasi. Ako nyanta wale bon line ng Gambia nga na tayo dyan. I was njakalta. Kuja. Ero talu. Mima osi. Nga ubondi ng Gambia ka na dyan. Ite ba ubondi ka mole buru. Anduila alfalo mwodi. Maybe ube need lala for family. Bari ite ko ite sulata wala dyan. Ero tanna, ero tal. Abahani ero talulos. I was doubtful. Njakalta bake billa. Hansa imbuka o comprehend no. Bari nga natile. Because I mean Sambalanka all natale ya di nanga sambay na nga diala. Andu wala o birin sita nga o mira sanko yaji nying maybe I write tineke because maybe ala family la ala one soul ni la everything be dilale ala kodito tutaja ko amrundi na nko maybe wala keta. So I mean we should start this. Ike doma merem fango jela ke kumandi jaka fo ko credit ko kinye amalla njuru tanao tanatala fentala ke parelomu yeta si sila dale be wargala iko al findi ngata aleta procession la pour mobile data albesa sanno albesa mobile data sanno albebe sirin suol kono mobe tata andu ikaminke ikatu ni mo kili yasodo I do connect through hotspot. ñinde internet curriculum sotla ñinde curriculum sotla ikale finti aleta pour aliye o yitandi alman sonna finti la because iko mampa pamido man soto janni bitam be arrest la ñilma fo ka leta demonstration wala de yaji Gambia altel galankolu civil society organisation al ñanta tala radio nim fonkol to aliya explain Gambian kole al nalbe finti la ka finti ñal milla muno ma la right pour ka finti muno manka la right pour alte finti la al ñanta la ya explain ñinu le ala jube kunu mo bebe video ya indila ibuka moje ka polisol da maleje ni police ni mo kilinje police lulu police war so police le siata procession lalti wala na sal baro firinta mindiata ba keka mindiata ba foka nteni de mu nekke no laje imaja man dang hani civilian ol da malade ala kul samban police ol fanal fangol ka ni kale fintal te sonna fintila mo mantara nyori kam fitino ka nko ali gambian o gambian je jang tuba bu jang mil ka fale ko al fintale al right fight al malon ko ka bala fale yele yal kanule because mimbe ke kanal minister be ni minister mil bebe Gambia I don't know how many for 21 ministers number 4 is more than that o minister be mo ga credit ko sa ital bu ka sa ima internet o da fangolon ima da fangolon ima credit ko dalon ibuka cash power jo ibuka jijo ibuka isansi sang altelle ka obe di wala yes inyanta solo because Gambia la loi le ofo bari ye privilege wala di fanna imaje ba la fala altele dron because yalla na munana pura kombatu ngani lafa because ye Gambia passport o dala fale nek al bebe deri ye alien soul foreigners ye wol tada tala ye min tala woli ya la pal tel ye ji Gambia ngore no nte malta Gambia di ya fon sai mari chamane I'm telling you nte malu bata Gambia di ya I'm telling you je foreigner nan na banko kan wo ye forina ko he altelier alla pamitol da ko la ya ko la ntelele e ko he nyanta nyum forina la moy lalde itate forina la moy iko alka kaito minjo $3,714 saimba kelali 750 let e jelle fodi je bar mala to calculate this calculate of it. Okay. $3,014. Utumwe kawalejo $3,014. Sa iko yake $750 let minus 750 equals to ye $2,664 ye wole bondi foreigners ye wole bondi woleje $2,264 ye wole bondi foreigners ye sa ngata Gambia. Okay, Gambia wotumo passport muna ngamira passport was 3,600 ali mako bang ngamira Gambia passport mu wolati nunde 3,600 please ali mako I think so because iko foi ka fonko jo I think $3,060 lom ali mako bang if I am right because $2,660 okay minus ngamra sign is it 5,000 is it 5,000 now ngamra 5,000 nom de sign $5,000 for fenne lata kamba man so wolela So, ye $1,940. Ye ole lafa Gambian kolye. Thank you very much. Thank you. Our Seri Boubacar Yombe. Thank you very much. Yes. So Gambia, ye 1,000 is the current passport saying Amra passport fee mu 5,000 net. Ali mako fanando bang our Seri. Ye $1,940. Ye ole lafa Gambian kole. Ye $2,264. Ye ole tala forinal. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Na banko kan keta tumaran ke olti na banko kan. All thanks to foreigners milbe Marakan. Aha, 5,100. But thank you. Thank you, Armstrong. Thank you. 5,100 minus 3060. Okay. Yo, look at this. Thank you. Abi Banks. Honorable Ami Bangura, isama nge konton. Dokulalu, alnala julaman na feala. No, you don't even know where to begin. Yeah. Foreigners were paying 3,000. Citizens. Foreigners alien ID was before $3,014. Now $750. Yeah, $2,264. Yeah, wale bondi wale. Citizens were paying passport $3,060. Sign, citizens are paying $5,100. Ye jelle la fa citizenole. Ye jelle la fa citizenole. $2,040. And we are happy. Kodi? Intel happy ta walale. Very good. Wallahi. Nyimfenke atondi fa. Musunumi mbe Taranga FM. Mariama Taranga FM. Dinkende ba. Ngamira ateka buloku jio minna. Ndel Gambia diul kawole mi. Ndemalta Gambia di yala baki. I cannot be proud of that country. I'm even thinking about Lawyer Usenu Dabo Lako Kambalafa. But I'm thinking about Kampan Dabe Bondi Gambia political function. Why fighting for them? Barimbadingul lebe Gambia. Ndomal beje, Mbamal beje, Mfamal beje, Baringol beje. But honestly, Balom Ba, okay. Mariama Ba. Hanide Ba, Mamira Bamude, I think it's Jallo. Taranga FM la Mariama Jallo. Ba akote. Mi yalon ko ka dindimma wole nata ba akote. Ama hani wulu Gambia. I will tell you, this current immigration director, Bai Mbu, Nikai Bai Abalo na ko nyelo mbake. Nikai Bai Abalo na ko nyelo mbake. Ala sister, animin denta bal. Ola na Gambia, mo kendol bijele. Ala sister animin denta bal. Yo fanan to fonyele mari lomba. Bari denta bale la. Adama Barrow le o samba maka. Adama Barrow wole o samba maka. Wole ka tabiro ke Adama Barrow la yarambamba cordato presently. Muso nyimbe livri weli ngarale. Imagine yala broda ya wole ke immigration director. Although I think he has the knowledge. He went to the ranks. But you see the nepotism there. Womuso mi ya wole ka tabiro ke Adama Barrow la mole san yarambamba. Adama Barrow yo muso le samba maka. Wodoma wala musa immigration na director. Wala be nyin tilimbali yal ke kan Gambian call. Bari by have among any opportunity sort of because munom they have to give him directives. But alnga singa miraban. Mune hati na Gambia today. Foreigner iyo kaito data la wole yala fa Gambia dingli. Alnga wogdula mira bakeba. Munati nantella civil society organizations. Even the Human Rights Commission should involve in this. This is harassment to citizens. Ye petition o safe wala nga mansa kunda fon samba kitiola. Ye kaito data la foreignali. Ya dala fa citizen oli. Because I think nilu itel fangol ya fil ko itel fangol mu foreignal leti. Ntala miro tolom de. Because if you think about yaje Bangkokan nde bi ni konte ni konte ko for example Germany konye baringolule e baring kunda le Germany jang yalo hani wuluta hani inata to abdu jang. No, honestly they are not really chairman. Hani ni nata to abdu jang yetu abo la kaito soto ila passport ila passport yo soto e banke to abu du katide ni koeko ibota min ikoeko defana mu Finnish wallet for example wala mu American wallet wala mu Chinese wallet yeah okay ibari ngolule. So let's just connect the dots. Sa alnga kumas na minister la. Ni minister let's say Ismaila Cisse ni kay baringol le. Akoy ko baringol bota kankar kundale ibota sate karle. Yeta political advisor solto. Yeta president niko president e barin ne e barin le demara barin bodo dami. Actually I don't know andu Barola family malo ila chosan bodo dami Gambia honestly ma fo Gambia no tede because momi yal mara momi kenala president wadi. But I mean, it's just crazy. Jumale fongo yin idea di nyino la ko ala data la forinali ali ada la fa bangu dioli. Ntel kana fuko wolmu untel la authority kendol leti. Are we going to be proud of those people? But man, because he ma seriousness le gentle to. Couldn't demonstration of Jube. It was very difficult for me to understand that procession yesterday. I was saying that was it that police will found demonstration of Kekamba? Because I understand. I have seen Felix. I have seen Galas, I've seen Killer Ace, I've seen Umar Saibo, just few people. I've seen Madi Jobate. The rest nte malum from aning bodo bijay bora sort of thing I tisat ko dum crafty bit ngaw fananjeje. And I see some couple of people that they arrested. Apart from that, I don't even see the public. Journalists and police were more than the people protesting. Alko seriousness let. Alko seriousness let. We don't have to sacrifice these young people. Alinkane sacrifice. Yalo nga nyimfo janne. Biringala fintita kutake. Nko, nte Musa, Musa babe gala, malla wolula. Nko malla Mamadu Kurana, nko malla Kek Sanela, nko malla Bob Ketala. Modoli e chocho kumandi. Nte fawla big supporter, aka kam fadan kaba oto bag. Aka kam fadan kaba bag. Bari, anata nan kolle lundo because nga mimfo, biring ay Bob Keta manyaje. Ay mawar kura manyaje. Otu montema Safiatu Londe, ni Safiatu Juuf ntema long. Bari biringa ndenga na safero ke about Bob Keta ni nyinul moyen kola konye ko o Safiatu mimbije amambete ya. Akonye ko aben nyinul kono snake long. Nga ko ntema wolo ntema atelong. Ala kumo fon. Bari maje ngaw fanan taji. So min kam fatante kama biringa nyilla kumo fo. Alawanga natan kolle akonye ko foi ko ngol fandawa. Ngan kumam fanugo milga ke baro be pombo Gambia mbe maji. Look, Gambian olu Gambian jama fintita nunjang to fight for Bob because injustice lebe ke kanala, which is true. Injustice lebe ke kanala. But how can Gambian stand ko ye Bob accuse me na should not face that accusation? Let him go and prove beyond reasonable doubt. Ndenga wole fono nko ikoya ikaye rape leke. Let Bob go and then prove beyond any reasonable doubt. But whether they should deny him bail, nko wo ibala human right le violate kan. But I would not support him not going to face that accusation because ala lonko anim more fanam victimized water allegedly. Whether he did it or he didn't do it, let him go and prove himself. Nko but albe ni wuro min albe fintila. Imagine birin Bob fintila. Otara Adam Baroya $10,000 diala. Birin Adam Baroya $10,000 diala. Alima kalamuta. Funding ke jellebe Gambia. Albe bataring. Adam malso $10,000. Ababon lami. Bara so Bob la. Bara funding ke olu. Adama sita ikal deport na Germany, ikal deport na Europe, Germanol ko alna nalla man sakunda si ngalla molla ko discuss nga jube mbe mune kenole Adama ko al nyine la bule be senna. But I $10,000 di Bob la. Sa ni Bob fall apart. Bob tata si adiamuta. Bari imaji ko kay apologizing ke. Kunu galala procession do manu fabi jede because ntema hani kek sane maje mama kuranje nga saibo jele de the other people mawolje meje bara nga saibo je jele and being arrest ro keta ibe samba kam police astafurla nata kek fananje abe video rinna kek sane nga bayo songo fananje abe video rinna bari pour la fonko nyinto je there is no video ngetel jenun dami ngejenun biribe police convoy nyinno kan anim police station auto ngamira kaira balon jeti bang something like that ngeje woto so ndebe min fola nyi yut so le galankolu alta si al fanali ye mira you have a family and al need tale dolbe je al fututa dolbe je al man futu alta ye mira ka kele gambia no ye I'll be sacrifice like at the end they will start blaming you people. Kaitandal la ko altel mu fitina molleti faltel dammale be Gambia. Alta si. Nko altel alni bele ka data sang. Altel ye bamba moye bob to record ro. Bila nko nte na mobile data band. Akinyena bob fana ye busy. Aita ngamira aita phone call. Yeah, team Gomsa Bopa Fanam Benu Jele, yeah. Well, Fanal Bijele, but it was organized by Gala. Because Ntenga Gala la Fonko Jeno, but team Gomsa Bopa, Namira Fenkela Muoti, this guy, Killer Ace. Okay. Ntebe min fola funding kewol nyeli. Alta siali mira. Andung, nali mira. Allah conclusion keta mentally okay. For albal fan sacrifice la Gambia. But al example ota loya usion dabola, al example ota solo sandenat, al example ota UDP la molula. Ye sacrifice or minke. What are the Gambians paying them today? Ike all mufitina molleti. For da malabijang. Dol fan lota, iko solo sandena fanfa. South Africa de wolka Steve Biko ika celebrate le wolka Mandela ika celebrate le wol nene buka fuko Mandela mfitina moleti Gambia iko ntella mol milie kelo kenye iko fitina mollo so albal fan sacrifice la al fan sacrifice altel milika cash power le ki mole Gambia yetara siri la courant kunto ibe wargala kodo be bela jibo kono Kurang fanka fe kunto odula fanto mote wakilla ay ala kodo bonda ay kas pawasa bob toure be laring mari chambe laring be sinola ibe la telefono kumandila iba kumandila foye dangu ko sante ni ndalla jam kas pawa fanti jam wala sino sitinya afana e kas pawa kiye kunun ni molo be diamola ngai ko ni la fa Gambia no Tesla kodo kiaye guy because you cooking you understand back Western Union they understand that one very well perfectly guy bar kuniye kodo ki nomba kilim mankindi ha kana nomba be diala nomba kilim mankindi to ata Western Union yela telefono fa kana telefono malade afa ni telefono fa just 1 hour di fan abe call la more than 20 times because not at Western Union go number killing number gila abe call la more than 20 times but ni inita na la telefono pick aba mune follow ambe call kan kabri muntu mambuke soto no ni number killing mankitale ikai oh sorry number ni read nyeba na read ikai oh sorry yes tonyalum trile mankita number 3 kj last 3 kj nata rayo korota sign momi ye call 20 more than 20 times akame soto ay call more than 20 times akate mete soto de sign nata number kilimu diala atata ay kodo receive ate call la sign credit tata rabulu ate mira le telefon bar nite but for half an hour yate call or 1 hour yate call ikon ke jubele ikay kon ke jube ikay ko iketa nyaade ba fole andun kon kanete le call ten sa sotol amete interest ko take bara ba fole je straight ko andun kon kanete le call bara ay kolota more than 1 hour bara me call de ame call sa itimi ya call ko take aba fole kon kanete le call bari ya ye number kilim mankinda ye call more than 20 times but he definitely had telephone for because it actually intentionally you want to know ala jube Gambia Western Union ani Isansero itelle siata Gambia business of Dulabero because Isansero ja oil yo fatafandi Dulabero too very dangerous go Isansero be dami ala health hazard jube ala danger to the public jube the health hazard fund anin isa nko nenebe lamen wallahi lamen mandinari silo ka ngafo moje nkai nintela korda be jamma fa la mba wafula ngata korda nyini koma wala ngata korda nyini dulado ali mira ali mira thank you very much arms ali mira lamen la o silo ka ni moto balbe bolana mandinari silanding ding 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 silo bebe tinyari wo moto balka isanso ta around 3 tilibulo tilo be kandiring. This is a flammable item. Ika ta alaman tankala wo moto baye ta boy woto alaman tankala lamen kol le manyana sonna wala lamen kol nyanta make sure la ko man sakunda e silo create man sakunda e silo create mi ya lon ko be kari tulo ni izanso nyin sambanola ate kala mole denjati o silan din lamen o silan din lamen be mun benefit ka ni o silo fa damma GMPC nyantale ila corporate responsibility nyanta kala minti wala nyinti ye wala safety and we nyanta sila kendo provide la from mandina ring ani mimbe tulobe tala no nyami kaboto kata to the distribution centers. Ntenene tata li fola Gambia mo do nene yenni mo fay nyokan akala fani essence tank motor la kodo babulu yen kumandi fo ila office obe ni kata coastal road welingara wo ma fon la je welingara marché o koma je ila office obe wala to ndata foje office o kono nyim bidon 20 litre bidon le bije mol ka si wala ka ko berete dudda ndaga bi rako ay ndundi bundi ndole kono folo nimbo jelo bidala office o imira momi yalon ko every day you work on millions of dollars atala si round wo correcta bari momo na office ko nite nyanda sila kay eto sila bidon ka 20 litre yellow bidon wala bi so sida belore akonya si sida akonya go ntelafta moto balle la so ñim boy carle la kumo fonye aye fonye you know I'm so happy aye fonye nyami adu tajana per fonye ko lafta moto balle la nka ko okay nko fo jumal tam ñim moto bal mil be loringa fo essential lebe kono ba agonya hani ñindol nga delivery kala already son tel ka tara janne company kan kolle mil sulata moto bala son tel ka ta ngela supply ota nga deliver tele tel nga loja nga ko fo ale fire service station o soto janne ale fire distinguisher soto janne ako hani ya nka ko ngamere essential lebe tango kona ko nga ndete sila jante ni tay ñin disco ndi bamal ta jandu ndey te fala jan nka ko akonya hikana sila dibate mala nka man si jam ngata si blado ngata kacha ha fire distinguisher tije fire service moto tije andum billahi lundo je malata because moto bale malata ko da min ba mala yo ko da malata nin bo min tata je akonyo bar boy yajele lumina ni tara akonyo billahi kasara bal soro ila moto ba dole malata ata korda do malaje nka ko bari ngamira wolum birimbe dum je nka yamira ko nyaale mata birin ka fay ko ni tek min kacala ja birin nga nyinin ka fo ye fire distinguisher soto jande ba wala ale fire service soto jande ba mili alon ko ni dimba malta jay be nay dimba fa ko hani nka ko ni tete kacala janga dula do jube ngata kacaje but I see ko ñin man serious nka ko I'm sorry nka ko nte I don't think ni muruta jamani be time o soto no pour ka moto ba sange nka mo do jube And I would have got money in it, but Mark. Guten Morgen, sister. Mark. So alin kana na banko dundi problem o kono. Alin kana na banko dundi problem o kono. Alin so 1 minute. No. I'm sorry. Sizzla somanda benyali. So Galankolu, Ntelafte advice la minna. I know you people have the love for the country, you have the interest of the country, but do the country people support you? Because Allah fight is not about negotiation, it's not about coming al-Katale, sending letters and Allah fight kake minti wolom nyintiko. You have to come out peacefully and then demand. And the crowd, Yalo Moli America demonstration is about lot of crowd and things like that. Yes, it is important. Wafanang important talede because I can signal lesson, but the message more important. But crowd is very, very important. So yesterday, I'll tell our procession. Even the international community, these Gambian people are not trying to help themselves. No, the police brutality is seen. So, andung gala aliye nyi Mansakunda, say Mansakunda be siri ne fanamba study kan. Now, okay, jandoto ngi weekly. What nyanta muneke la better. Mansakunda ibite fang strategize la. because Gambian o katariala ka fasi because Gala went out eco the looted assets. One, Gala went out to demand laughter, transparency and accountability. Two, now people are seeing that Gala is getting too much. But it is not too much for them for you to send them money at Western Union. They want that one every month or sometimes every 2 weeks. They want you to send them money. Fussy. But to go and fight for their country, ite buka data sanno. Aletu molu danila, albe molu kumandila, mako data to, mako credit code, mako cash power to, mako nyinto. Ikale finti, ye cash power jam, near $1,000 isa, ika $300 be bondi je. Wofanang ngamira team Gomsa Bo Palomba, wolle fintita wala, Occupy Westfield, something like that. Wolle fintita no wala. How many people went out there? Very few. Very, very few. Important things albuka sonna findila. Nika le janko wali juf lebe kana, wali juf, muna wali seka, wali seka. Niko wali seka le kana. Ali be se danir mane o beki. Dol faul ka hospital mala fal ni lopitan ko le ka dilba yeta ye hospital bilo kiena iko nyantata la lopitan ne ha be fan kurandla just to get money bari kale ko ite buka kaspa sanno because sisla jarama bijan sending you one this is like a for example cash power ni momi alonko you are spending like itala suokono for example ni cash power $2,000 like a spend for example in a month wo fanam fango ni dinno le fana malaiko ya fa ni frijo malaiko ya fa so every month every 2 weeks Sisla has to send $2,000 now we can call $600 le bonije for free in a month 1,200 Bist du gerade aufgestanden? Aha, du hast lange geschlafen heute, ne? Okay. So, alo jube no? Alo jube, $1,200 haba mansura. Nawe kunkol ka wale ta, yata lojoto, ni futata. Sungudu ni fula ka taraje. Ka wale samba, lojoto, fula. Karre la musoli yela haftano dakande fo ajata kas ye wura ya saki wol ba fole ko papa ni jay iding ba fole papa akana bulo du la kuto kona ka wafati ika jenoke mo la kodola yeta ya be tutu parta ni parete ta si jakarande dolo min foy kono le fa tem alta jakaranda fidir kola albe mo si fal militar raje alta jakaranda ro fitir kola ngam min fale ngalon wona jirano law fuful ni wo fonkol alta je alba tara fo le kata najirano le kata domo falla broda sol min al ketra office ko ne kala ko do sunya falbe wolle tar falte wolle taraje thank you Kelefa this is it iballa ko do be feala galayna findi ko ntel man barang alla life albo kila nyami bari ntel la taxpayers money albo use la le mimbe banko no benefit la mimbe banko no benefit la baral hani afelenti bi binan na fonko conclude la minna ni momo se nyindula record no ayke audio ti please mina min fola is about be UDP youth wing ye min foko ibe fintila pour ka peaceful protest ke about na national ID card issuing mi ya lonko ibake kam banta ni momo se nyindula record no please yeje record nyaba ngalo nako modol ka record roke malaf mol ya lon kon ke record because mol kat la folantele ngela diamu moy fonkoto inin sisla wolu fonkoto forum mol kono so people record albedo ku kendel la de yes modol bi jall man la fale finti bantak that's good, it's not bad, but mbal tankla immensely but ni mo sotota jam mimbe nyindula record la nyabe diala nyebaki diala nyebaki yes. Assalamu alaikum Muhammad Sona. I'm fine. Badin Gambian kolu ntela lafta diamula le Musa Sedi pour ka nyi yitandal la ko bi Gambia funding kewlo alkana je ko political party funding kewol le pamito nyine yaje ku kilin nebe Gambia political party ayatara le bela dinoto andum ibota kundale to so alinkana je ko kana linene wala ko political party le lafta fintila ndemandraw party to ndete fintila e kanal nene wala de ibe fintila minna nteni te bela nafale pije katunko ni bi Gambia ID kato ya di Guinea-Bissau kola Guinea-Bissau ko tata kuruya kuke banku kan ni yo ID kato mutabulu Guinea-Bissau katede Gambian kolom eventel Gambian kol le busala busola pour ngamuru tariko to domande during the Falkland War. I think it was in 19 Malong Falkland War, I forgot the year. Nimantra nafuno use can I would have Google it and know exactly which year. Falkland War, Falkland atebe Argentina le. Alia remember Angaleol ko there is an island in Argentina quite a let town. Yebo for England. Almost how many hours ibe ole tila island will be one the Bangkok quite a let town what. Yes, Ose boy. Good morning. Quite a let town. In Argentina dunta nyola. Bari dunia kono Argentina le mosiata Angalterti. But Angalter le sembo warteti. Politically, economically. So, Angalel ko itelle tamuje ima negotiate no Angalel ko force mbenyin dula tal bal kelendla. Angalel nata kabo England pour kata ka fuko be tila kata ka Argentina bomb. Wobe koleal sa ya jube mun tolo be sutiano la Argentina la Angaleol si bono ya la jorangol bondi jang ya samba woto ikana woto ikata Argentina e Gambia le choose comme ni ajembe nyim tariko folale pour Gambia la ID card na dunta mo kurungo bulu min sina keno Gambian ko bela so Argentina Angaleol kabo Gambia le ni pareta tala Argentina bomla ikabo Gambia le imela sojarol jindi duma folode bari ikabo Gambia le yetaro ye tarasanto ye bomo jindi wol ka yela molfa ini boro ena ko te na yena biti Gambia Argentina fana yela kiskisiroki bari nyin ni kana ni mun tole la nyilla base be Gambia le nyil kela ko be tabi Gambia le yenantele ya jay yem bom Argentina ko Gambia be mi ko mo fim banko lo ma be Afrika ko okay Argentina ya kumas ni mo fimo je itel ka abe categorize en Gambia kam mo fimol fa la Argentina wala na Argentina damalo South America bankoti mo finte dami kam mo fim fa la Gambian ko na tana mistake ate kabita kan America le kata ko ma silo anala passport tata ne Argentina yate buchale ya subole kuntum ikay ko kwaltelle kam mol bula o mundunda amanke man sakundati amanke fen bari ya kuntum ne because of Gambia dingu ye Gambia passport o mi mutabu ya kuntun ne ka subo kuntun yalo we manda wo fada mala so nal lafita yen subo kuntun dunya dula beto alina kayto di nyim futankol la gina futankol ala di nyim Senegal Casamance kol la ala di la ibitebe kuriya bakela wandi banko kan wo banko ba minina Gambia la al dingul lo mun telti al tel NPP kol mfallo malti mballo malti mbinkillo malti kotollo malti dollo malti nal Adama Barode wo dingo bi diplomatic passport lo be wulo e maja samba America atara ko fa 40 jele bantel kawjo moto balle bala jam anata Amad Ba ko altel dingol be sirin so ko man do ku soto e application o ki bla beto e ma soto Amad Ba famole ya la sama to dunga tara Adam Barono ma kay ko ngapala so so e dingol entela ministry to ite dingol be sirin so ko e kuntun al tafal talte len bi ngol fo al tafal ta pour yal dingol ma ko do ko ama soto na barata Adama Baro min fama am president abama am force lady atata wonno ma ka ngado ko so de dingo e jam Adama kay ko hani because Adama fana na la plan lo o yala empire fenge aka bari ni wala alta nyamo kono sa ndema sulalla mbendingo le nat la ngalo ndi jam kachapo e maja dingo nata because a dalta ko di purtu partol la a dalta ko di purtu partol la bu kamin doku abe Gambia le e ka abe America le ka kodo kiyai anata ko amro balle tata majum Allahu alam hani bi mo nen ma report moy woto dama faata lake dama faata lake ado Gambia alko mo la ko mo toisle dama faata lake bari nin tabe investigation o yentele bula investigation mba follow la investigate la ni ko nga independent yena independent si dinne ko nyako taya kiskisi mba follow le kiskis la ha ma faata lake bar mba kiskis rolo because majum nene ma attack majum nene man roba sol nene man taje je nene man sunya biri Amadou ni njagabe je ite nanan dron multimillion be dunkan dron karam nga moy ko nyina ketaje o nite ma fete la kede but maybe somebody very close to you mi ya lonko ila in and out abe lonjele might do the operation as well so al dingolu iko al ibe fintila bi pour que Gambia la kayto nyin tankay saje akana dunno mo kurungol buro ite be mun sila suwo kon niko UDP bawsen le kana airport auto al katara bring airport silo kan for pipeline more than 5 hours more than 10 hours no 10 hours is too much but more than 5 hours al katara kabo airport kata pipeline fente fo hadama de motol ka mufno bar bi ni UDP al cha hanta yalo Adama lota la ko UDP di amuro ni internet of itel do ko nali jama am findi nyen ko la ibe jele kelal al tel mil be suo kon albani misal ali be finti la ali jama ba katamo ali eta ali nyen ko diman yaje ibe kaito dika Africa bankol la and this is very important because what Africa bankol ila ambassador bi jele Guinea la council la fo muno abe Gambia Senegal la high commission abe Gambia Sierra Leone ibi jele Nigeria ibi jele so nyum bankol be bi jele so ibake la ko banku dingul la kayto mi ba di kan nte la banko kan amandi ya nyum banku dingul wol fanal be jubero kala ko la barnali ya ko ten al tata mo danta al kalma wato le sol hayalum bi musibito linkata kulliyol la na tekilale soto na fonko le soto al taliye 1 hour spend min dula aliyata alla tekilala aliyata alla kulli dulato min nyanta kela very successful protest lati nyanda siyala le de nalman siya NPP wallahi wolom nyinti ko ale baro tu jaita andum Gambia ntenga kuo minje Gambia kuo minje Gambia jawya alfan le ka alfan jawya alfan le ka alfan jawya alfan le ka alfan jawya alkana sonala so al jamasi finti bi aleta lafa aleta IEC bundato alial proteste nal pareta alial petition of Hanover alese suoko I believe ko albe o kelale akana ke komi galata akana ke o nyamade wala la baraka baki ngal tentu ngal jay natala drong kanna kaitandi IGP lako they should call that SAR to quarter deck andum inyanta asambala back to police training school aita CB la confinement to barracks aitaraje for 3 months aita under rehabilitation Baralta Kelade he will be the hero because I feel like he can intimidate Gambians in the support with the support of the authorities. Thank you, Sisla. Thank you. With the support of the authorities. Alkana Song. Okay, thank you, Sisla. Alkana Song, Banko Kang, Yali Silandi. And Inspector General of Police Sidi Toure. Del Gambian olude, nka kontan le ila kuola, ika demonstration olu, ike handle nyami. Bari sar la kuo, Gambian olbe interest la de, ibe muna kela woto. So ngalongo ite so neto e kuya, sarye. Thank you, Sisla. Ngalongo ite so na ito e kuya, sarye. Kana sonala. Oto Gambia, nite be mu Gambia dingoleti. Today you are our authority. Andung ila kakenna authority we respect it. Fanal deserve to be respected. Sari inhuman act like it. He need to face the consequences of that. Andung we are demanding the immediate release of those protesters. 19 people were lame in Muta. Journalists will be kono and more. For police, this is the way the police have to arrest people, the way SAR was doing. La barka bagi ngal tentu ngal jay.